are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. And thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you a new project. This project is so simple, really easy, and I love it. So this is the scrunchie that we're going to be making today. We're going to get a hair scrunchie. As well as we're going to be making these earrings to go with it. Isn't it cute? Super cute. So let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. Okay, first thing you're gonna need is your fabric. At one end, you're gonna fold it 1 centimeter. You're gonna turn it on the wrong side and you're gonna be folding it. You're gonna pin that down. So all the way from here, going all the way down, all the way down. You should now have this all sewn. We're gonna go ahead and flip this inside out so you can get yourself a pin and place right there. Take that and just stick that in there and pull that through. Okay, pull that all the way through. To finish with that, we're going to get our elastic band. Put your pin through that. You're just going to feed it through this hole. Just hold the elastic band in your hand and just keep pulling it through. You can remove the pin and then you're going to put them together and sew right there. Okay, you should now have it sewn. You're going to take this end that we didn't fold. We're going to tuck it into this one that we fold. Like that, and let that sit over it. Okay, and it should now look like that. You're going to go to machine and you're going to sew it here down, locking that in place. You should now have that sewn in there, and then you just pull it around. You won't even be able to see that. Stretch it out, and there you have it. Lovely. I love it. Let's get to our earrings now. So you're going to get your 2 earring hoop as well as your 2 fabric. I'm going to be folding these in half. Do the same thing for both of them. Go to your machine and you're going to sew all the way across and over here as well. We're going to flip this inside out. I got a smaller safety pin. Just pull that through. Bring this down. Pull this out, bring this down, tuck it inside. And just pull it through. Pull it all the way. That. Okay, you do the same thing for the other one. We're gonna go ahead and get our hoop earring. Okay, we're gonna take this here. See, push that through there. Run it all the way through. Okay, and let's go ahead and put the glue right on at the bottom here, because you're gonna be closing this up and it's gonna be in your ears, and you don't want that to, you don't want the glue to sit there. So it's gonna be right underneath. that section. I'm gonna just put some glue right there, just all the way around, and bring that fabric to sit on top of it, like that. Right, just let it sit there. And then we're gonna lay down flat like that. And then we're gonna put some glue right in the center, basically squeezing it. Okay, just press, hold it there for a minute. And then it should look like that. And you're gonna do the same thing for this other side as well. And there you have it. This glue is pretty powerful, y'all. Here's your earring. And you're gonna do the same step for the other one as well. And that's it. Now you should have both of them all set and made. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So easy, y'all. And here's the scrunchie to go with it. I'm gonna have some of these in the shop if anyone is interested in purchasing these. They'll be available in the shop. Super duper cute, cute, cute. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.